Good morning and welcome to the session number 22 from the chapter of current electricity. The topic for the today's session is the calculation of the unknown resistance in a Wheatstone bridge. So I have taken one question which was asked in the IIT JEE main exam in the year 2019, and this question is based on this topic. So this is the Wheatstone bridge which was provided in the question, and the question here is the uh, resistance of this resistor P is equal to the resistance of this resistor Q, and when the resistance of this resistor R is equal to 400 ohm, then this Wheatstone bridge is balanced. But when P and Q are interchanged, that is, when this resistor is placed here and this resistor is placed here, then in that case the bridge is balanced when the value of this value of resistance of this resistor is equal to 405 ohm. So we have to find the value of the resistance of this resistor S. So in the original question there were four options, and the language of the question has been slightly modified here, but the question is the same. But in the original question there were four options and we were supposed to find the correct option. So here I have not considered the four options. Here simply we will be finding the value of the resistance of this resistor S. So in the first case, when the value of the resistance of this resistor R is equal to 400 ohms, then the bridge is balanced. So when the bridge is balanced, then there will be no flow of current through this galvanometer, and this happens when this point B and D are at the same potential. And in this case, as we all know, P upon Q will be equal to R upon S. Here P is the resistance of this resistor P. Here Q is the resistance of this resistor Q. Here R is the resistance of this resistor R, and here S is the resistance of this resistor S. So I will be using this relation in both these two cases. So in the first case, P upon Q will be equal to R. Now the value of the resistance of R is 400. So I am getting first relation as P upon Q is equal to 400 upon S. Now when P and Q are interchanged, then the bridge is balanced when the value of this resistance of the resistor R is equal to 405 ohm. So in the second case, I will be getting, in the second case, this resistor is placed here and this resistor is placed here. So in the second case, the equation will be Q upon P is equal to 405 divided by S. So these are the two relations which you have got. Now simply I will be multiplying both these two equations. So I will be getting P upon Q into Q upon P. This will be equal to 1, and I will be getting 400 upon S into 405 divided by S. So this is the relation which I am getting after multiplying these two equations. That is, P upon Q into Q upon P will be equal to 400 upon S into 405 upon S. So from here, S square is equal to 400 into 405. So from here we can say that S is equal to under root of 400 into 405. So this, now the under root of 400 is equal to 20, and the under root of 405 will be equal to under root of 405. This is approximately equal to 20.125. This is into 20.125. So this value is coming out to be 402.5 ohm approximately. So the value of the resistance of this resistor S will be equal to 402.5 ohm. So thank you very much for joining this session. In the next session, I will be discussing the same topic of Wheatstone bridge, but the question will be slightly different from the one which we have done today. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.